today's vlog, I'm sharing to you an unboxing video of the Starbucks 2021 planner and organizer. Okay? So, it's a yearly tradition in Starbucks na every November they will start the promo for you to collect stickers. You need to collect 18 stickers. In each drink, you will get 1 sticker para makakuha ka ng either planner or an organizer. So, it comes with 2 colors for the organizer. One is black and the other one is pink. And then for the planner, they have yellow and green. So for all those things, nakuha ko silang lahat, the 4 choices. Meron ako lahat ng organizer. The 2 organizer is here. And then I also have the 2 planner. Here you go. So I'll open this for you to show you what's inside. Okay, let's go. So start tayo sa organizer. If you remember, ito din yung ginawa kong first giveaway sa aking mga viewers and subscriber last year. So tingin nyo, gusto nyo din ba magkaroon ito for this year? So this is the 2021 Starbucks organizer. This is the black one. Starbucks Organizer 2021 na color black. You can see, meron siyang zipper. Dalawa yung... Wow! Ito yung notebook inside the organizer. Inside is a bookmark, yung stickers, and syempre nandito din sa loob nito yung mga discount coupon. And if you can see sa loob niya, pwede kang maglagay ng phone mo or mga cards. Even money. And then sa kabila naman, ayan. Malaki din siyang, pwede po din siyang paglagyan ng other things mo. This is really nice kapag nagta-travel ka. Kasi very useful siya yung mga cards mo, transportation cards, passport. It can be accommodated into one organizer lang. Tapos may hawakan siya sa likod. Pwede mo siyang hawakan ganyan pagka nagta-travel. So that's the black organizer. When it comes to quality, maganda naman yung pagkakagawa. It's leather, synthetic leather, yung ano niya, yung kanyang skin. And then the zipper, mukhang high quality naman yung zipper niya. Hindi siya mahirap buksan and i-close. Yan. Nice siya. Very nice. Yan. So, let's open naman the other color, which is the pink. Ito yung, I think this one, yung gagamitin ko talaga. Yung pink organizer. This one is the pink organizer. It's really cute. Yung color niya is very girly. Ayan. Siyempre, same lang din sila ng loob ng block. But I'll show you the inside as well. Ayan. So, yung notebook comes with the organizer. And inside, ayan, pwede ka maglagay ng cards, ng money, and ng cellphone mo, pwede din dito sa loob. So, it's really nice. Yung second packet, yan. Very spacious din yung second packet. Same as the other one, same sa black, meron din siyang hawakan sa likod. There you go. So, pwede mo siyang, actually, pwede mo din siyang lagay sa belt. Pwede din siyang ganyan. Ang ganda ng pink. I love this one. Ito yung gagamitin ko among the 4. So, ito naman, punta tayo sa planner. So, that's the organizer kanina. And this one is the planner. Open natin. Maganda yung organizer kasi wala siyang date, hindi siya nagiging outdated. Unlike sa planner, kapag nakasabing 2021 lang siya, di ba? For next year, ibang planner na yung gagamitin mo kasi may dates to eh. Pero pag yung organizer, notebook lang yung kasama niya, tapos yung parang wallet or yung pouch, which is really nice. Very useful siya. Actually, yung organizer ko back in 2017, yun pa yung gamit ko pag nagka-travel ako. Kasi nga, very useful. Kasya din yung passport ko, may lagayan ng pen, and all, which is very useful kapag ka nasa airport ka. Ayan, ito yung planner na yellow. One is the yellow. Pen natin. Yan. Oh. So, the yellow planner, meron din siyang bookmark na kasama. Ito, bubuksan natin yung loob. Kasi kailangan natin makita yung mga pages. So, ito yung kanyang bookmark. So, yung design niya, yung tail ng mermaid. And then, may naka-emboss or may naka-lagay na Starbucks dito. Emboss ba yun? Or engrave, sorry, naka-engrave na Starbucks name. Ito yung stickers niya. Mga stickers na coffee and frappuccino. Then, what's inside? Oh. Ayan. Yan yung first page niya. And then, here, pwede mo ilagay yung details mo, like yung name, your birthday, your contact details, email address, and your address, and then your emergency contact person. And then, ito yung mga QR code ng Starbucks. Kung gusto mo mahanap yung website nila, their mobile app, their Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, scan mo lang yung QR code na yan. And this is the calendar. This is the 2021 calendar and then the 2022 calendar. Then ito yung mga holidays for Philippines. And then ano pa to? Forest Stewardship Council. So, this planner is produced in a Forest Stewardship Council. Ibig sabihin, certified facility and printed on FSC certified paper. So, ito yata yung mga paper na recyclable. Kaya ganun. Yan. So, maganda yung design niya. Very colorful sa loob. Yan, yung January. Ito si Mermaid. Starbucks. Yan. So, ganun pa din yung ano niya, yung style niya from last year. You'll have enough space to write down, tapos meron pang notes sa kabila. Sa kabilang side. So, yan. So, yan yung mga design niya. So, tingnan natin sa likod. They usually put the discount coupon sa likod. So, ito pala. Yan, o. So, you have one for you, one to share na coupon. That is valid from January to March 2021. Tapos, the other one is Discover Your Cup of Tea. So, pag bumili ka ng Ivana beverage, 100 pesos lang siya. For April to June. And then, the other one is Sweet Treat Indulgence. Pagka bumili ka ng Frappuccino, you'll receive a second Frappuccino for free. And then, the last one is Bold Coffee Crafted Cold. So, yung cold brew nila will be only for 100 peso for October 2021. Napansin ko lang na yung mga voucher nila, parang every year kumukonte. Kasi tingnan nyo, 1, 2, 3, 4 na lang siya this year. Unlike before, every month, meron talaga silang promo or coupon na pwede mong magamit. This time, 4 na lang. Kumunti na ang kanilang coupon. So, that's the Starbucks Planner 2021 color yellow. Let's go to the last one. Actually, itong yung last one nito, meron ng may-ari. Ibigay ko kasi to sa aking sister. Nandito siya nanonood. Batiin natin siya. Shout out kay Peng. This is for Peng. Special request niya tong color na to. Gusto mo ba ikaw mag-open? Ito din yung last ko na nakuha na planner. Inuna ko talaga yung block na organizer kasi napansin ko sa ibang Starbucks na out of stock na yung block organizer. Siguro kasi maganda siya. Maganda din pang regalo. So, una kong kinlim is the black organizer. Baka maubusan kasi. So, ito naman ang green planner. Dark green siya. Ayan. Same siya nung color ng logo ng Starbucks. Ayan. Dark green. Tapos, kakulay siya ng straw. Kakulay siya ng straw ng Starbucks. Meron din siyang bookmark. Open ko yung loob. Ayan. Yan yung bookmark niya. Same as kanina. And then inside, inside is the sticker. Ayan, meron din siyang sticker. Same lang sa kanina. Tapos, yung first page nila is similar. Siguro parehas lang siya ng design din talaga. Ayan, parehas lang din siya. Yung details mo, you'll input it here. Tapos ito yung January. Yes, it's the same. The same sila ng same sila ng design. Pagkaiba lang talaga sila ng cover color. Ng color ng cover. Ayan. Then, pwede ka dito mag-insert ng mga important notes. Dito, sa dulo, sa last page. Ayan. Meron siyang pocket. Then, it also has the vouchers. Ayan, coupons ng Starbucks. There you go. So, that's the Starbucks planner. Yung yellow and the green color. Show ko ulit sa inyo. This is the green one and the yellow planner. And then for the organizer, we have the pink one and the black one. Okay, so I will be raffling up another Starbucks planner on the next vlog. So if you want the color black or the color yellow, just comment down below so that I will choose between the two kung ano yung paparaffle ko sa mga viewers ko. Okay? Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing video of the Starbucks planner and Starbucks Organizer 2021. And watch out for the raffle of these items on my next vlog. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Kurt Ashing Adventures. Thank you everyone. Have a great day. Bye!